Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be doing the gaming review of the Motorola One Power along with the battery drain test and the heat test. Now this phone has a lot of cool things and Motorola has done a lot of new things with this phone. They gave us the latest Snapdragon 636 processor seen in the same Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Note 6 Pro. You also get a massive 5000 mAh battery. And updates have been an issue with Motorola phones these days, but this phone comes with Android One program, so you really don't have to worry about updates either. So on the whole, this phone packs a lot of good things for a great gaming experience. So let's see how it performs. Now coming to my setup, phone currently has 81% of battery left. There are two huge lights on either side, and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees, and the current room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now coming to the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 31 degrees, at the bottom it is 34, on the back it is 31 degrees, and at the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. As you can see, visuals are looking pretty good, there is no lag, at least I couldn't see it. It is using the entire screen including the area near the notch, which gives it a bit more immersive experience. Overall, this game is definitely playable. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 8 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 35 degrees, at the bottom it is 37. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 36 degrees at the top and bottom. Next, I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. As you can see, visuals are looking pretty great. Now this phone has a massive display with Full HD Plus resolution, so I would say the resolution is pretty much okay. Game doesn't look pixelated at all. Controls feel pretty smooth and there is no lag. Overall gaming experience is pretty good. So guys, I played Modern Combat 5 for about 8 minutes. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 36 degrees. At the bottom, it is 39 degrees. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. Once again, at the bottom, it is 37 degrees. For the final game, I'll be playing PUBG Mobile at smooth graphics settings with medium frame rate. We can also play it at balanced with medium frame rate, but I think most people will like to play it in smooth for better battery life and better performance. So guys, as you can see, visuals are looking pretty good and I couldn't notice any lag. So even this game is definitely playable without any issues. So guys, it's been 15 minutes since I've been playing PUBG Mobile. Overall gaming experience is pretty good and the phone feels just warm. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. At the bottom it is 38 degrees, on the back it's 38 degrees once again, and at the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now coming to the battery life, I've been playing games for about 32 minutes and the current battery percentage is 75%. So the phone consumes 6% of battery for 30 minutes of gameplay. Now that's definitely pretty good considering this phone has a 5000 mAh battery. So on this phone, because of the massive battery, you can play games continuously for about 6 to 7 hours and still have some battery left, which is really awesome. Now for the final heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously using both the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 26 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start taking pictures. As you can see, I have been taking pictures but there is no shutter sound. And unless you observe the image preview at the bottom, you can't really know if the camera is taking pictures or not. There is absolutely no indication. So guys, it's been 3 minutes since I've been taking pictures. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees. At the bottom, it is 38. On the back, once again, I've seen a maximum of 39 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly warm near the rear camera, but that's completely manageable. Now right after the heat test, I've tried to use the phone for a minute and everything was pretty smooth, so there is no throttling. By the way, I have taken 212 images in those 3 minutes, which is definitely a pretty good count. So guys, to conclude, gaming performance of this phone is pretty impressive. There's absolutely no lag in all the games. There are no heating issues. In fact, this phone has the best results so far. Almost all the phones that I reviewed earlier crossed at least 40 or 41 degrees. But the maximum temperature I've seen on this phone was just 39 degrees, which is really awesome. Now finally, battery life is also insanely good on this phone. For half an hour of gameplay, phone just used 6% of battery, which is again the lowest number I've seen probably in the past 1 year. So on the whole, for gaming, better battery life and less heating issues, this phone is definitely the best choice in its price segment. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.